I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure your PS4 is online and your PSN session is active, because Minecraft needs network access to switch accounts. Once ready, open Minecraft and go straight to Settings, then Profile. You will see the current Microsoft account listed. Sign out now. This removes the live link and prompts the next sign-in flow. Do this first because it clears the cached identity. Once signed out, you're ready to sign in with the different Microsoft account. You'll continue by initiating the official sign-in flow. Select Sign in with Microsoft inside Minecraft and note the short on-screen code. Then on a phone or PC, go to Microsoft.com/link and enter that code. Log in using the new Microsoft account, email, and password, and accept the requested permissions. This links your chosen gamertag and profile to the PS4 session. Make sure you use the right account, because linking moves saves and marketplace entitlements to that Microsoft identity. You finish by confirming the change. After successful authorization, return to Minecraft and wait for it to refresh. You should see the new gamertag and profile. Test marketplace purchases, realms, and crossplay to ensure entitlements and friends lists behave as expected. If something goes wrong, for example, the old account still appears or you can't access a realm, clear the PS4 cache, reboot, or use account. Microsoft.com to unlink devices and repeat the sign-in. This resolves most stuck link issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.